Welcome back to the channel. We have a unboxing and a quick overview of what I recently purchased to improve my bread making game. My name's Leo. This is Baker, and Christmas came in September. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Voila! We got a new mixer. New mixer. All right, let me clean up and resituate here. Then we'll do the overview and some of the details and stuff like that. Ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is the Spiralmac Royal Queen 12 spiral mixer. I got this from Pleasant Hill Grain, not sponsored or anything. Purchased this with my own money. We're just gonna do a quick overview, read some specs off, give our first impressions, and then come back at a later video using it and give another review from there. This is, like I said, the Spiralmac Royal Queen 12. As you can see from the screen recording, 3 different colors. This is the biggest size they have for a 120 volt application, one phase. So you're able to use this in your standard home outlet. RPMs go from 110 to 310. The good thing about this specific spiral mixer is the hook is removable, the breaker bar is removable, and the bowl is removable, which is a big issue with some of these other ones where it's more of a pain when it comes to washing these things after your mix. Everything is food grade steel. Everything that touches the food, as in the hook, breaker bar, bowl, I'm assuming the lid too, so. Variable speed, I believe it also goes in reverse too, yes. Reverse function, made in Italy. On the screen recording I'm showing, you get to see the different sizes that the spiral mixer comes in. A 5 kilogram, 8 kilogram, 12 kilogram, which is what I have. Once you start moving on to a 240 outlet, they go from a 20 kilo, 25, 38, 44, or up to 60 kilos. With mine, max capacity flour is up to 17 pounds or 8 kilos with a total dough weight max capacity of 26 or 12 kilos of dough. So enough blabbing about the specs. Let's take a look.
Start from here. Hello, YouTube.
Here is my current workhorse. This is just the off-brand one I bought off Walmart for a few $100s. Max capacity, I believe, was 8 kilos. Sorry, 3 kilos. Right there. So in total, after mixing, I think I was able to max out on this one at 5 kilos of dough, which in sourdough will allow me to do 6 850-gram loaves. This one here, obviously a larger bowl, way bigger motor. I believe that one is belt driven. This one is a direct, which means better torque. So this comes up, thumb drive, or thumb screw, sorry. Come on, come on. No loud noises. No loud noises. Boom. Just a good old thumb screw. Another thumb screw. Which opens the door here, and that comes out. All right, let's zoom out a bit. Does this thing not go up? Oh, it does. Now this comes out. So I gotta release. Oh, just make sure. Oh. Plate spins. I believe this is a sensor to make sure the bowl's on. Back to this side. RPMs, I'm assuming. Reverse, stop, forward, or vice versa. Put this here for a bowl. Size comparison. It's that one to that one. A lot larger, more capacity, which means I could do more dough at once, which allows me to do more dough in the same time it took me to do this. On average, it was taking me about 45 minutes. About 45 minutes to do 3 batches. I believe I'm gonna be able to do 4 batches in just one mix. Only time will tell. Let's piece this back together and give our final thoughts. All right, once again, my name is Leo from Baker Baker. Join me on this journey, test driving this bad boy in. This is just a quick review, quick unboxing, and I'm excited. More to come. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends. Show some family members. Yeah. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.